Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of the BingX Referral program. If you're looking for a way to elevate your trading experience while earning some extra rewards, then you're in the right place. The BingX Referral program is designed to offer tremendous benefits, not just for seasoned traders, but also for newcomers. By joining the program and using the referral code CHUCHU, you can unlock a range of advantages that enhance your trading journey. So, what exactly can you expect when you utilize the BingX Referral program? First and foremost, you will gain access to exclusive bonuses. When you sign up with the code CHUCHU, you immediately increase your earning potential. This means that both you and your friends can earn rewards just by participating in the platform together. Additionally, the BingX Referral program is incredibly straightforward. All you need to do is share your referral link with friends, family, or anyone interested in trading. When they register using your link, you both benefit. This collaborative approach encourages not just individual success, but community growth. Furthermore, BingX offers competitive trading fees, which means that you can maximize your trading outcomes. When you combine this with the rewards from the referral program, you're setting yourself up for financial success. With every trade, as your friends engage in the platform, you're not just supporting their financial journey, but also earning passive income through the rewards. We encourage you to take action today. Sign up through BingX and remember to enter the referral code CHUCHU. It's a win-win situation where you explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading while benefiting from fantastic rewards. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit the BingX platform now and start sharing your referral link. Together, let's make trading a rewarding experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insightful content on trading, investment strategies, and the latest trends in the crypto world. Until next time.